Hello, lovely viewers. It's another great episode on Health Zone, and today we are going to talk about the 10 effective benefits of winter melon for your health. Let's go for a quick break. When we come back, we'll talk about this topic here.
Perfect Living TV above and beyond.
Welcome back from that break. Now, all we need to know about winter melon. Winter melon is one of the most famed vegetables among the new age superfoods. The benefits of winter melon are proven and time tested as well. The nutritional value of winter melon is impressive and life-saving. Today, we will talk about the nutritional value, the benefits, and the usage of winter melon. It is a natural vegetable that can be found on the market. It has a different name in different zones in different countries. The taste of unripe winter melon is a bit sweet. The winter melon develops a wax coating. Many ongoing types of research vouch for winter melon's efficacies. Now let's look at some facts. The best thing about winter melon is that you can use every part of this plant for medicinal or culinary purposes, and people of Asia and China widely use it. All parts of a winter melon plant can be consumed. About 96% of winter melon is water. Winter melon is an ancient Ayurveda plant and vegetable. Winter melon bears on warm weather and sandy soil. South Asian countries, especially China, India and Japan, are known for the cultivation of winter melon. Winter melon can also be stored for several months. As we have said before, every piece of winter melon plant is usable. One can consume winter melon flowers and leaves as well. The melon has vital importance in ancient Indian medicinal treatment known as Ayurveda for its medicinal and nutritional value. The benefits of winter melon are known to humankind for more than thousands of years. We have explained elaborately about winter melon's nutritional value and all the sufficient advantages of this melon. Now let's look at the nutritional facts. To understand the winter melon benefits, we should know the nutritional facts about winter melon. It's dense in vitamins and minerals. Those vitamins and minerals prevent a lot of diseases. It is also rich in vitamin C and vitamin B complexes like thiamine, niacin, and riboflavin. It also has potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. If you are concerned about protein, dietary fibers, and carbohydrates, then winter melon is a good source of all these. So include winter melon in your diet right away to get the benefits of all these health boosting nutritional components of winter melon. Winter melon is also a great source of phytonutrients. What are the incredible 10 winter melon health benefits? Now that we know the nutritional values of winter melon, let us know the benefits of it. This explanation will help us understand how these nutritional values of winter melon can boost our health. So here are winter melon health benefits. Number 1, good for vision. The deficiency of riboflavin can cause a vision problem. The well-known name of riboflavin is vitamin B. Sufficient intake of vitamin B reduces the risk of eye-related issues. Winter melon can supply 11% of the daily requirement of vitamin B2. The antioxidants present in winter melon reduces the macular and retinal degradation. Number 2, great for your heart. Potassium is a vasodilator. Vasodilator lowers blood pressure, removes tension from arteries, and helps blood circulation. Apart from potassium, vitamin C is also excellent for cardiovascular health. Vitamin C also lowers the risk of coronary heart diseases. Number 3, promote immunity. Our body needs vitamin C for new blood cells and vessels. New blood cells boost our immune system, and winter melon supplies the required vitamin C for that. Vitamin C is also great antioxidant which can neutralize free radicals. The presence of the zinc in winter melon also boosts your immunity. Number 4, good for growth. We need to keep our body growing, and for that, our body needs new cells, muscles, bones, blood vessels, and tissues, and collagen is primarily needed to build these growth components of our body. If you are suffering from a disease or fighting old age, then you need collagen. For collagen, we need vitamin C, and as mentioned above, winter melon is a rich source of vitamin C. Number 5, boost digestion. Dietary fiber can boost digestion. Bad digestion means bloating, cramping, excess gas, and hemorrhoids, etc. Dietary fiber keeps your gut healthy. Number 6, increase your energy. For better metabolism, vitamin B2 boosts better metabolism. Better metabolism means your body can extract energy or convert nutrients to energy. Number 7, fresh blood. We need iron for the production of a new red blood cell. New blood cells are useful to well circulated and oxygenated fresh blood. So if you are anemic, then winter melon is excellent for you. The well circulated blood is also great for the brain as well. Number 8, detoxifies. Winter melon is a diuretic in traditional medicines. The diuretic is known for its detoxifying capacity. Fats and excess toxins get removed from the body through urination. Also, vegetables which can clean your body in that way are excellent for your liver and kidney. Number 9, promote weight loss. Weight loss does not mean starving. Winter melon is low in calorie. The minimum part of the vegetable is mostly watery. The high fiber, low calorie, and watery parts are good for weight loss. It will keep you full for a long time and prevent unnecessary cravings. But all these minerals and nutrients will not let you compromise with your health. Number 10, relieves constipation. The dietary fiber present in winter melon are good for a bowel movement. So if you are a chronic victim of constipation, then winter melon can give you a lot of relief. Apart from all these benefits of winter melon mentioned above, there are many more advantages. Winter melon can protect your kidney, heal peptic ulcer and insomnia. It's also good for mental health. Few studies suggest that winter melon is also good for boosting fertility. You can try winter melon tea during the summer. This tea can help you beat the heat waves. DIY remedies with winter lemon. We have already explained the winter melon benefits. But apart from the advantages mentioned above, winter melon is also excellent for a few health issues: the skin, the hair. Here are a few DIY remedies for you. Number 1, for cold. Get rid of cold, cough and cold. Drink winter melon juice every day. Extract the juice of winter melon and drink the fresh juice. This juice can cure respiratory issues like influenza, asthma, and sinusitis. For appetite, mix winter melon juice with 5 grams of clarified butter, 5 grams of honey, 100 ml water, and consume it at night. If you can drink it regularly, your appetite will gradually improve. For dandruff, take the skin and few seeds of winter melon and heat them together with coconut oil. Then apply that oil directly to your scalp. This also massage will decrease the dryness and dandruff from your scalp. While using winter melon, take care of these points. Over-consuming any food, whether super food or general vegetable, can cause damage. So you should reasonably consume winter lemons too. If you must think, why are you saying so? Follow the points clear and clear all your doubt. You can just go on the internet, Google it, and then you see all the disadvantage. This is where we end today's episode on Health Zone. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jennifer Amlade. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification button, so that you'll be notified when we make any post again. Thanks for watching.